Welcome back to my channel Mind Your Exam. In this video, we will be learning how we can change or modify the data type of an attribute that has been defined in a relation of the database of a relational database, and how can we do it using the SQL alter command. Okay. Let's see the syntax of doing the same. The SQL command for modifying the data type of an existing attribute is, firstly, you have to use the alter keyword. Alter table, these are the two words that you have to write down for necessary for sure. Then you will be specifying the name of the table whose attribute you want to change, whose attributes data type you want to change. Okay, then after writing this, you specify the modify keyword. So this command is similar to adding the new attribute that we saw in the previous video. Instead of add, here we write the keyword modify, because we are not adding the attribute now, we are changing or modifying the existing attribute. So after modify keyword, you write the name of the existing attribute that whose data type you want to change, followed by the new data type. So in this command, you nowhere have to specify the old or the existing data type. You just have to specify the existing table names, the existing name of the attribute, and the new data type of that attribute. Okay. Let's suppose in our database, the student database that we are considering in our videos, we have the guardian table, and initially if the guardian table had an attribute G address or the guardian address which had the data type say varchar 20. Now after adding some entries, we realized that 20, the value, the size of this data type is small, and we want to change it to varchar 50. Okay, so here we are changing the size of the data type. You can completely change the data type also. You can change it from varchar to int or any other data type that you require. In this example, let's see how we will change the data type size. Okay. So what will we write? We will write the two keywords that we just saw, the alter table keywords. Then we will specify the name of the table whose attributes data type we are changing. So we are changing the guardian table's attribute. The name of that attribute is G address, and this is the new data type. So from varchar 20 or varchar 30, we are changing this data type to varchar 50. Okay. This is the command. If you want to completely change the data type, you can replace this data type with any other data type. Say you can replace it with int also if the scenario holds right in your case. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I hope you can understand this simple topic. It is a direct command that we have been seeing in our previous videos also, with a little modification. If there are any doubts, you can mention in the comment section below. You can also let us know which further topics would you like to study from SQL or any other computer science or management subject. We'll try to bring it on our channel for you. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video. Mind your exam.